ready to skyrocket your sales and supercharge lead management. Today, we'll learn how to effortlessly import lead lists into Liondesk, your all-known CRM. First things first, log into your Liondesk account. Once you're in, navigate to the Contacts section, click on the Import button, usually found towards the top right of your screen. This is where the magic begins. You'll be presented with a few import options. Prepare your CSV file. CSV files are commonly used for importing data. Next, select the Upload CSV option, click the Choose File button and select the CSV file containing your lead data from your computer. Carefully review your CSV file format. Ensure each column represents a specific piece of contact information like name, email, and phone number. Liondesk will then prompt you to map or match the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Liondesk. For example, map your name column in your CSV to the name field in Liondesk. Double-check that all the fields are correctly mapped for data accuracy. Review or edit if needed. Once you're satisfied, click Import. A progress bar will indicate the import status and the import is complete. It may take a few minutes to upload. Congratulations! Your lead list is now imported. Review your newly imported contacts within the Contacts section to ensure everything looks correct. Now, you can begin segmenting these leads and launching those email campaigns. Thanks for watching.